guys, और आज हम आए हुए मेट्रो और आज हम करेंगे मम्मा की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट. So let's. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you guys are well. And so, in today's video, we're going to be celebrating our dear mother's birthday. Originally, my mother's birthday is on April 14th, but due to some circumstances and because we were so busy, we couldn't celebrate it. So, we finally got the chance to celebrate this belated birthday. So, without further ado, let's get started. I mean, at the end of the day, who doesn't love traveling? Even if it's at similar places or the places you know. Today's traveling is special because we're going to go on Metro. And we haven't gone on Metro. I mean, it's our first time. And I'm really excited. And so was my mother. Because you could see, like in Metro, you could see all the cars down there from a high bridge. Well then, my father got the tickets and we entered the bus. The bus was really crowded though. Like everyone didn't have enough space, but we really liked the view, even though it was really crowded. Well, it's not my first time. It is my second time because I've also went in a metro with my cousins. So this place was pretty familiar to me. But I mean, it had developed so much since the last time I went on Metro. And after such a long travel, we had finally reached our destination. Hello guys, और आज हम आए हुए मेट्रो पर. Hello guys, और आज हम आए हुए मेट्रो और आज हम करेंगे मम्मा की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट. So let's go. From the tower where you usually book the tickets, I love the view of the cars. And अब हम जा रहे हैं नीचे. मेट्रो के बाद अब हम जाएंगे ग्रोसरीज करने बिकॉज now we are at CSD to do some groceries. Wow, look at that. There we go. So अब हम अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प कर रहे थे ताकि थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस ज़्यादा फन और फास्टर हो जाए. I was literally tired from walking, but I didn't give up because I'm a shopping person. If you don't know, I really love doing groceries. I don't know why though. I really have the inner. I really enjoy it for some reason though. अब हम सारी चीज़ों की बिलिंग करवा रहे थे and I mean we bought a lot of stuff. Guys, we are finally done with our So now, after we're done with all our groceries, I'm really hungry and tired, so we're going to eat some yummy. Let's go. अब जब ग्रोसरी के बाद मेरे पेरेंट्स ग्रोसरीज को गाड़ी की डिग्गी के अंदर डाल रहे होते हैं, अब मैं यहाँ पीछे ये कर रही होती हूँ. और अब this is where the real fun starts, क्योंकि ग्रोसरी के बाद now we're going to go eat, and not only in an ordinary restaurant, none other than Tehzeeb. And then we entered and then we placed our order. I mean, there were so many options to choose from the dough, from the flavors, from the spice and the cheese. The environment was so cool. I mean, everybody had fun. I could see. And then here's our order slip, and after this number comes up, we're going to receive our order. That means our order is ready. हर जगह lights थी and I loved the environment. And the pizza to get ready took quite a while, about 25 minutes, but I really enjoyed while waiting for the pizza. And as you can see, this is the pizza of the dreams. I love this pizza. We ordered a extra large. I mean, look at that. Still, while voiceovering this, I feel so hungry. I crave this kind of stuff in my dreams. And then in the end, everybody took a slice, and look at that cheese. We love cheese. I mean, the cheese pull was so good. And then we enjoyed so much pizza. And the sauce given was also really tasty, the ranch sauce. And then since we had ordered an extra large, we still had some left. But still, I mean, itni achhi quality hai na, that it stayed warm and it stayed the same taste even when it was cold. Okay, now it's the next day, and now ab hum Mary Oppie and Mere Baba, they're really morning birds. So at 6 a.m, even though they were, I mean, कल हमने जितना हमने chaos और fun किया था ना, हम सब थक गए थे, लेकिन they still had a walk, and I think having a morning walk is really relaxing. Lunch करने के बाद जिसमें था चाउमीन और चिकन कढ़ाई, हम खेलने लगे बैडमिंटन, और बैडमिंटन में काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था, I mean, लेकिन I still had the muscle memory and I aced it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and Allah Hafiz.